Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to bold text in WhatsApp. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I can open up the WhatsApp app here, and I'm just going to tap the very top a conversation I'm having with myself. And if I want to, I can tap here and type in anything in bold to do. So all I have to do is tap that 1, 2, 3, and then the pound sign, and I'm going to type an asterisk. So there is a code within WhatsApp that tells it to convert any text to bold. Now I can type in anything that I want. This is so cool. And then I'm going to end it with another asterisk. And you see, as soon as I type in that second asterisk, it switches that text over to bold. And you don't have to worry when you hit send here. It doesn't include those 2 asterisks because it knows that that is the code for it to be in bold. So you can just type in asterisks, whatever text you want, and then another asterisk, and it will switch any of that text over to bold. Pretty cool. Thanks for your time today. Hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next one.